Alright, thank you for joining today's session. So today I'm going to cover the scenario on using SAML tracer. So as we all know, SAML is a language that is generally used for single sign-on, and we'll be seeing in this particular session how we can use the SAML tracer Chrome extension to kind of validate the SAML assertion request, as well as how we can trace the SAML assertion. So for this demo sake, what I have done is I have considered two orgs right now. So I have logged into my service provider org here, Intel, and this is my another org which I am using as my IDP for kind of using the single sign-on. So the first thing first that I need to do is, before initiating this SSO, what I have to do is I need to go to this Chrome extension, which is SAML Tracer, and just click on this so that the SAML Tracer extension runs in the background. And once I have done this, I will click on this particular button. So the moment I click on this particular button, if you have seen the URL, it first went to the IDP, it validates my credentials, and then based on that, it redirected to the SP org, right, which is the Intel. Now, if I go to the kind of our SAML tracer, what we will notice is we will see here two of the requests which are logged using the SAML identifier. So the first one that you see here is nothing but the SAML request which initially went to the IDP. So this is the SAML request that we see here, and this is nothing but the SAML assertion or the response which has come up. So this is how we can trace the request and the assertion which has come up. Now if I have to validate this particular SAML which has come up, what I can do is I will come here to this particular response, and I can simply copy this particular response. And once I've copied it, I will go to my single sign-on settings. And the moment I go to the single sign-on settings, I will see here an option called SAML assertion validator. Now this is something which Salesforce provides out of the box. What I can do is I can simply copy paste the SAML response which I have got, and I click on validate. What Salesforce does is it validates the assertion which has come as a response and gives us any problem or issue if it is there in this particular assertion. So as you can see here, it shows if everything is working fine, it shows as okay, and if there is any error or any issue in the assertion which we have received, it shows us that as well in this particular assertion validator. So this is how we can trace and kind of validate the assertion that we have received. So this is all which I wanted to cover today. Thanks for watching. So one humble request to you all is, like, if you are liking my content, request you all to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you.